Hello. This is Mohammed Shah here, and today we'll be taking a look at NVIDIA 3-minute chart. So I drew my support levels, 133 here, and the present one that is, hovering around is 137. This area, this blue area, and these are my resistance levels. We start at 140, like on top, 140.4 and 139.33 if it like start going in this direction, of course. And I formed, joined the this bottom to this high. So I joined the lower highs that it was making on top, and then I also joined the higher lows to find the bottom of the edge, and these points were joined in order to obtain a bullish pennant on 3-minute chart. And the target would be this length here once it started breaking out. So, however, as you see here, the price started going there on a 3-minute chart, and then it formed a resistance at 140.15, and then tested again, came back, and from there it started forming new resistances. And then once it broke this bold white line, which is 200 exponential moving average, it came down. Then it tried to get a bounce on 200 simple moving average. It didn't and started going down. So if it further goes down, the next support on the 3-minute chart might be this one, 133.27, and then our bullish pennant on the 3-minute would fail. Please switching over to the 1-hour chart. Interesting patterns here. If I start joining, the higher lows of these, this point to this point, and then also the higher highs here. So, and joining this point and this point and this point and this point, then we would be getting interesting rising wedge. So the rising wedge pattern has a target downwards, which is the height of this wedge. I drew that similarly here and put one and once it starts breaking the pattern, we'll be taking it from there. So it is giving a target for about somewhere around 115.08. Now, in order to reach this target, it would have to first break this support, which is around 124.97, and then that would be reaching the target or the next level's support at 115.38. Now let's assume it starts respecting the other wedge, which is a falling wedge and which has a target upwards. Then it would have to keep the support and then break this resistance of 139, then 145, and then it will have to break the 148 or this 146 to 148 range, and then it will reach its resistance on 1-hour chart at 156.97. However, there are a couple of resistances here, and for it to reach upwards. Taking a look on the daily chart of NVIDIA. So here are the support levels. We start at 119.94, the next one at 103.89, and 90.91 and 80.21. Resistance at 143.62 at the moment here. So I joined this point to this point, formed the left shoulder from here to here. The neckline is somewhere around 133.08. Then I formed the head. There you go, from this point to this point, and that's the right shoulder. And once it starts breaking here, this height of the head from the neckline would be its target, which is around this line, 110.54. Now on the contrary side, if it starts going up, for example, if it starts respecting the falling wedge, the target would be upwards, and all it has to do is just break this resistance at 144.11, and then it will reach its target of 157.25. So the rising wedge joined these lower highs and this lower lows, and it started breaking here until like it went up to this point and started going down. So which way does it go? Like wherever it breaks with a better volume, then the chances, if it gets green volume from here, the chances are good. I see them going until 157.08, provided this resistance is broken, and if it receives like red volume, then it might break the support level and go down. So yeah, that's my quick analysis of the NVIDIA stock on 5-minute, hourly, and daily.